In this video, I will show you how to give your Windows 11 beautiful glass style look with easy customization. We will use the UltraUX theme, Moe theme, custom icon pack, OldNewExplorer, StartAllBack, ExplorerBlurMica, 7STP, and Nexus to transform the Windows 11 interface. I will guide you through the step by step so you can follow along easily. From the desktop and icons to File Explorer, the Start menu, and taskbar, we will customize everything for a clean and modern glass experience. This is what your Windows 11 will look like after the end of this video. So let's get started. First, create a restore point before making any changes. This will help you safely restore Windows if anything goes wrong during the customization. Next, download and install UltraUXThemePatcher. Follow the setup instructions and restart your PC if required. Next, open the Moe theme for Windows 11 folder and open the theme folder. Copy the Moe and Moe dark theme files. Then go to the C drive and click the Windows. Search here for resources. Then click the theme files and paste it here. Next, right click on your desktop and select personalize. Then go to the themes, find the Moe theme and select it to apply the new look. Next, install StartAllBack and follow the on-screen installation steps until the setup is complete. With the OldNewExplorer file, then go to the disk PC and click here the documents folder. Now that paste it here. Now also click the OldNewExplorer file. Click here the OldNewExplorer CFG and install it here. If the theme is not working properly, go to themes and set a wallpaper of your choice. Choose any wallpaper you like and apply it to your desktop. Click here the start menu, then click the control panel button, and something hasn't changed yet, so it will be changed soon. Next, go to the Moe theme folder for Windows 11. Now click 70SP extras and we will be rename and this will be give a zip file folder. Now click here the 70SP GUI 2019, also rename it. Now double click here and we will be install the processing. Click here the yes. It will be need some moments here. We need to restart here. After that, you will click the OK button. Again, click the Moe theme for Windows 11 and go to the start menu and click here the style. Copy the Moe start menu. Go to the C drive and click the program files and go to the StartAllBack. Click here styles and paste it here. Now click here the properties. The visual style is default and we will change it. Click here the Moe start menu and we will change it to Moe start menu also. The start menu is also changing here. Now click the red 70sp icon by Vin Star. Then click here 70sp icon. You can use anyone. We need to rename it and it will be zip file. And click the 70sp and double click here and 70sp will be working here. Click here the add a custom pack. Click the red 70sp icon. Go to the 70sp icon and we will right click here and click on the open. And that is processing and it will be working soon. Click here the start passing. Now click here the yes. It will need some time here. You can see the sense. The Moe icon pack is working here. Now click the Nexus doc file and follow the on-screen installation steps until the setup is complete. Again click the Moe theme for Windows 11. Click the doc file. Go to the background and copy these two files here. And go to this PC and click here documents and go to the Windows step. Now click Nexus. Then click here the backgrounds and paste it here. Click here the Nexus. Now click the advanced. Then click here the restore. And go to the Moe theme for Windows 11 by Vin Star. Click here the doc file and click the Moe doc backup. And you can change here the themes. Follow the steps until the setup is complete. Right click on the start menu bar, then click the properties. We need to change the start menu bar. And select all and click here the open. You can select here anyone and that will working. Now we need to change the start menu icon. Follow the one screen installation steps until the setup is complete. Now double click on the release x64 zip file. We need the release folder and take it outside the zip file. Paste it here. Now right click on it and click the run as administrator. Click at the run and click here OK. Click here OK. Again click the release folder and double click on the config file, and you need to change the RGB. R is equal to 38, Z is equal to 41, and B is equal to 45. Then click it save. Now open the task manager and search for Nexus. Here you can check how much RAM and memory it is using. This helps you to see the resource uses of the customization. And that's it. Your Windows 11 has a clean and beautiful glass style look. I hope you enjoyed this customization guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more Windows customization videos.